In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage caption tracks on a Google Drive file. Whether you're working with video presentations, educational content, or marketing materials, adding and managing captions can vastly improve accessibility and viewer engagement. So let's dive right in and guide you through the process. Firstly, we need to head over to Google Drive. You can do this simply by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at the home interface where all your files and folders are displayed. Here, you'll want to locate the video file you intend to work with. You can either scroll through your list of files or use the search bar at the top to find the video more quickly. Once you've identified your video, hover your cursor over it. This action will highlight the file and reveal additional options. Now click on the video file to select it. This is your starting point for exploring all the available actions concerning this particular file. Remember, selecting the correct file is crucial as you'll be managing the captions specifically for this video. Next, let's focus on the file information. While hovering over your video, you'll notice an icon or text that prompts you to view or modify file information. Move your cursor there. This section is a handy tool as it provides you with metadata relating to the file such as size, format, and, importantly, options regarding caption tracks. It's like a command center for all things related to your file's data. Now it's time to manage the caption tracks. In the file information section, you'll see an option labeled Manage Caption Tracks. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a new window where you can add a new caption, edit existing ones, or even delete caption tracks that are no longer necessary. This functionality is key for anyone looking to make their media content more accessible and comprehensive across different audiences and languages. As a practical reminder, consider the formats and the language of your captions. You generally want to ensure they match the spoken language of your video, providing clarity and improving understanding. Depending on your audience, you might also want to include captions in multiple languages. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can manage your caption tracks directly within Google Drive, enhancing the reach and accessibility of your video content. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made your caption management journey smoother and more intuitive. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips and tutorials.